Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use pancake mix for waffles. It's a simple trick to get crispy, golden waffles every time. First, grab your favorite pancake mix. You'll also need a few common kitchen staples: eggs, milk, and a little oil. Make sure your waffle iron is preheating while you prepare the batter. This ensures a perfectly cooked waffle from the start, saving you time and effort. The secret to great waffles from pancake mix lies in a small adjustment to your batter. For every 1 cup of dry pancake mix, add 1 extra tablespoon of vegetable oil. This extra fat is crucial for achieving that desirable crispy exterior. You can also consider adding 1 extra egg per cup of mix for a richer, more tender interior. These simple additions make all the difference in texture and taste. Now let's get cooking. Ensure your waffle iron is hot and lightly greased, even if it's non-stick. This prevents sticking and helps with browning. Pour approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the center of the iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the steam stops and your waffles are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Don't peek too early. Once your waffles are ready, serve them hot off the iron. They are best enjoyed immediately with your favorite toppings. Think about a drizzle of maple syrup, a dollop of whipped cream, some fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can easily reheat them in a toaster or oven for a quick breakfast treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.